Introduction to CSS Visibility. CSS is crucial in controlling the appearance of a website. CSS Visibility Property allows you to control visibility of HTML elements without affecting the website layout. Understanding CSS Visibility Property, it can take three values: visible, default, element is visible; hidden, element is not visible but takes up space; and collapse, removes a row or column from table elements without affecting the layout. To hide an element, assign the hidden value to the visibility property of that element. Common use cases of CSS visibility. Used to temporarily hide an element without changing the layout, useful in responsive design. Helps in creating interactive elements like tooltips, drop-down menus, or modals by changing visibility. Tips and tricks for CSS visibility. Elements with visibility set to hidden are still accessible via keyboard navigation and screen readers. JavaScript can be used to dynamically change the visibility of an element. Common errors and how to avoid them. Avoid using visibility property when you want to completely remove an element from the layout. Use display none instead. Visibility hidden does not hide content from screen readers. For complete inaccessibility, use display none or other techniques. Conclusion: CSS visibility is a powerful tool for controlling visibility of elements on a web page and creating interactive content. It is important to understand its behavior and how it interacts with other properties and aspects of your page.